Alright, so I had a problem. I could hear bass coming through the subs. You know what I'm saying? Even when I ain't got the fucking music on, it was just like a woo. And I figured out how to fix that. I'm putting a wire around the audio cables and then grounding the wire, and it killed, all that shit. I really want like a 3500 watt or like a 5000 watt amp. It's got a master and a slave switch on it, but all things with time. I really want my goddamn Sony Explodes back, but jumping out of the fucking, I need the motherfuckers to die, you know what I'm saying? I need more. I need more money also, but, I'm working my way up.